Alright, hey everyone, welcome to the Harry Clips. Yeah, I know it's been like a long while since put in a morning update. Unfortunately, I had family mama in my life, and I hadn't really, be able to film for like 2 weeks. Um, which my nuts, who that one was technically, what? Yeah, May 26th, had a powerful severe thunderstorm with almost 60 miles an hour wind. Now, I wish I would have filmed it. However, I will, tomorrow I might be doing that. So right now, it is 59 degrees. Feel like 57 is when around 13 miles an hour. That's too much nothing miles an hour later. Um, on the other app, anyway, so tomorrow is 70 degrees, and it's sunny on right now. I don't know what precipitation, but 100%, 100% of it not when they're putting that in stores. Um, anyway, I'm like, that way I made 26, but maybe you win. Inhale. I'm like, what is I don't know how to say it, but, um, so, they went overnight, if you find, that was public holiday, I think, um, and then, and at 2 p.m., I didn't put start, but then around 3, like 3 p.m. all the way, well, 3 p.m. is supposed to start. Yeah, honestly, like, you know what I do? Well, I'm not affected, flooding, hail, and damage winds. From the heavy rain. At 2 o'clock, that's 30, 3 o'clock when that's 60, 4 p.m., 60, 5 p.m., 80, and that's not even worse. So, I'm excited. I, I, I always love, stuff like this. Yeah, I know that there's a race, but, let me tell you, it's fun to watch. Well, I watch a lot of hurricanes, tornadoes, tornadoes, and, you know, I'm gonna film it. So, hopefully tomorrow, in time, um, and then Monday, like 20%, and a thunderstorm, like, yeah, me all day. And it was a road mate, a man, mate, and then Tuesday, Thursday, well, actually no, took a nap every morning, so, yeah, but for me, I just like that, tomorrow and Monday, one thunderstorm, only Tuesday, that. And then probably Wednesday, my out, finally. I mean, I did the moisture, but I didn't too much. But, yeah, alright, now with the device payment money app. Alright, now here we are at whatisforyou.com. Um, I don't know if not when the wins are not, one of those flowers, not necessarily free. That was pretty, that wrong, but pretty moderate. Um, and what it is. Yeah. Alright, so tonight, that will be partly cloudy. I saw the thunderstorm and a low of 51, north wind to, 20 miles per hour, but the high of 25. That's what happening right now, probably not even 25 miles per hour right now. And then, 12, 2 point nothing happening. We're not, you know. mostly cloudy with thunderstorms, likely in a high of 72, north winds 50 miles per hour, wind high 19, although in the severe areas that high 60 miles an hour, 50 minutes of activity, I don't know, I don't want to talk about going to app, no, but I don't know. Not like, so, yeah, I'm gonna film it tomorrow, and on Monday, I'll see my email, yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you more next time. So, peace out.